Hi guys, in this video we are going to see how you can log in into your WordPress dashboard. So let's get started. Let's say you have a website which is built with WordPress and you want to log in to that. So what to do now? There are two ways to log in into your WordPress dashboard. First, just type /login after your domain name and press enter. Then a login form will come up. Just fill in the username and password which you selected while creating your website. Give the username and give the password and press the login button. Here you are successfully logged in into your WordPress dashboard. Now go ahead and customize as you want. Let's log out from here. The second method is typing /wp-admin after the site address. Just type your site address /wp-admin in a browser new tab. Then press enter. Then the login form will come again. Just fill the username and fill the password and press the login button. Here you are successfully logged in into your WordPress dashboard. Now go ahead and customize as you want. Let's log out again from here. If you forgot your username and password, then how can you get entered into your WordPress dashboard? If you forgot your username, then just go to your cPanel which is given by the hosting provider. Once you over here, then search for phpmyadmin in the search box. Once you find that, then just click on that. It will direct you to the phpmyadmin dashboard, and in the left side bar, just click on the plus icon and then just scroll down. Here you can see an option named WP Users. Just click on that. Now you can see the username over here. If you want to reset your password, then just click on Edit, then select them and remove them. Now set a password as you want and then select MD5 from here to secure that password. Once you're done, then scroll down and then click on Go to save the password. Then try to log in again by typing your site address /wp-admin. Then the login form will come again. Just give the username which you noticed and give the password which you recently created and press login. Here you are successfully logged in into your WordPress dashboard. So this is how you can log in into your WordPress dashboard and reset your password if you forgot your password. So that's it guys. I'll see you in the next video. Stay happy, stay connected.